Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. Let's get right to it. Did you know that in addition to all of our incredible native Rudbeckia, we also have an amazing selection of specially bred hybrid varieties? You might be asking yourself, with all of these native options, why would I ever want a hybrid? Well, hybrid plants can be a great option for small gardens, especially when you're looking for a high yield and disease resistance. They offer better uniformity and can be more predictable when it comes to their size and growth rate, which is pretty important when you're planning for a small space. A lot of people see these beautiful cultivars in the garden center and think they just appear. But what they don't see is the years of matchmaking that happen. And I use the word matchmaking because it all starts with a goal.
Let's say a botanist wants a Rudbeckia that's more compact for smaller city gardens or containers.
They start with a parent plant known for its shorter stature, like this one's ancestors, a type of Rudbeckia fulgida. But maybe it doesn't have the most impressive blooms. So they choose another parent, a different species or cultivar, that has huge, show-stopping flowers.
Then comes the delicate part. To make sure they control the parentage, they have to prevent the flower from pollinating itself. They go in with tweezers and perform what's called emasculation, removing the male parts, the anthers, before they can produce pollen. Then they take the tweezers, or a tiny brush, to collect the pollen from the chosen father plant, and then gently brush it onto the stigma, the female part, of the mother plant.
Basically, they're playing the part of the pollinator, but with a very specific purpose. After pollination, they wait, protect the flower, let the seeds develop, and then harvest them. But that's just the beginning. They might grow thousands of seeds from that single cross, and then they watch and wait. From those thousands of seeds, only one or two might have that perfect combination that they're looking for. The compact size, big beautiful flowers, strong stems, and good health. And that's the real reason these hybrids are so fantastic. They've done all the trial and error for you. You're not just buying a plant, you're buying years of selection.
Think about it. The classic Goldstrum is beautiful, but can be susceptible to Sephoria leaf spot, especially in the humid summers we get here in New Jersey. They can get black spots on the leaves, and the leaves can look pretty sad by the end of the summer. But American Gold Rush, it was specifically selected for its clean foliage. It looks beautiful summer all the way through fall. And they can breed for aesthetics too. Just look at Prairie Sun. It's a cultivar of Rudbeckia hirta. It brings a completely different look to the garden, but has a beautiful look all summer long.
And that's the ultimate goal, to provide the home gardener with plants that are not only beautiful, but are reliable, resilient, and long-lasting. When you plant one of these modern hybrids, you're planting confidence. You're getting a plant that's designed to thrive, to fight off disease, and to bring you joy with minimal fuss. It's a partnership between nature and science designed to make your garden a success. So when you look at these hybrid varieties, just keep in mind that for the botanist, it's not just about making a pretty flower. It's about solving problems for the home gardener, for you.
It's also worth noting that hybrid plants aren't open pollinated, meaning that they usually don't produce viable seeds or offspring that look just like the parents. If seed saving is important to you, then open pollinated or heirloom varieties are your best bet.
Now that you know a bit more about these gorgeous hybrid Rudbeckias, come and find the perfect one for your garden today.
Looking for something different? We have hybrids of Agastache, Echinacea, Coreopsis, Anemone, Lavender, and so many more, all bred for their own characteristics.
So thanks again for watching yet another one of our videos. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like the video, leave us a comment down below, let us know which plants you'd like to see next, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.